Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create speech bubbles in Inkscape. I'm going to create two different types. For the first one, I'm going to select the Create Rectangles and Squares tool, then click and drag. I'm also going to change the color to white. Then I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Then I'm going to use this option to create rounded corners. Next, I'll grab this tool and I'm going to select this option, and this is going to convert the selected object to path. Next, I'm going to select the bottom two nodes, then I'll click on this option to insert nodes into selected segments, and I'm going to click here 4 times. Then I'm going to click on only one of the nodes to select it, and after that I can just drag like this, and then I can use the Select and Transform tool to position this. Now let's go ahead and grab the Create Circles, Ellipses and Arcs tool, and I'm going to click and drag. Next, again with the Node tool, I'll convert the object to path. Next, I want to select these 4 nodes, and I can click and drag, or I can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl A. Next, I'm going to click again on this option 3 times. Next, I'm going to click on one of the nodes and just drag it like this. Now notice that this is not sharp. If you want to make this sharp, I'm going to select the node and click on this option, Make Selected Nodes Corner, and if it doesn't work, just click on the option one more time and you see how this became sharp now. Now I'm going to change the background to, let's say, gray color, and let's say you want to add a black outline to the speech bubble. So let's select this one. Then I'm going to start the Fill and Stroke tool, go to the Stroke Pane tab, select Flat Color, make sure the color is black. Of course you can choose another color if you want to, and then go to Stroke Style, and from here I can adjust the thickness of this outline. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was useful. If it was, subscribe, like it, visit my channel, and that's it for now. Bye.